Welcome to the Miami Cruise Terminal. I am going on a 4-night, 5-day cruise on the MSC Seaside. First time ever on the Seaside. And I want to walk you through how it goes over the next few days. Now, I'm not going to show you the normal, like what everybody always shows when it comes to all the information. There's plenty of videos. I want to just show you my experience on the cruise and show you what I enjoy doing. That way you can decide if you want to do an excursion or if you just want to hang out and kind of just enjoy it like I do, because that's what I always do, is I just go and I enjoy the cruise. I don't try to do too many excursions. I don't try to plan too much. I just eat where I eat, hang out where I hang out, drink when I drink, and party when I party. So let's go ahead and let's get on the MSC Seaside here. Day 1, Miami, Florida. Let's go. So just made it through security. Now we're just kind of hanging out here. Gonna go in and see what the next step. I think there's one more step before we get in. But look at this. This is so cool. All checked in through the security. It was super chill. They asked me if I had a surge protector, which I don't. They let me through with my combos and my candy bar and my Coke Zero that I have with, so it was pretty chill. So if you're trying to get some snacks with you, now I know you're not supposed to, so this is not me giving you professional advice, but if you're looking to get snacks in to the cruise ship, I would say get here early when the security agents are still kind of chill and not like stressed out, because she didn't even ask or anything about that. She just asked me if I had a surge protector in my bag, which I said no, and I said there's a drone at
MSC Cruises invites groups 1 and 2
time to go.
at this time.
Time to get on the boat, ship, whatever you want to call it. Either way, it's time to go. I always get a little bit of a queasy stomach every time I walk it down the gangway. It's like a mixture of excitedness and a brief second of fear. No reason to be scared, but it always happens. There we go. Officially on the ship. Right there. Let's go. MSC Seaside. Here we go.
Welcome aboard.
Hello, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Seven, 13, car D7.
Okay, we are on the MSC Seaside. Let's check out room 13-31. This is a king veranda balcony room. So as we first come in here, we're gonna have the standard, have to use your MSC card here, your cruise card, to turn the lighting on. And this is the room. We will start out right here behind the door with the only mirror besides the big mirror. So I guess it's not the only mirror. There are two. But this is the main mirror for getting ready, other than the one that's behind the desk here. This door goes into the adjoining room if you want to have adjoining, and then directly from there is our bathroom. Now this is our bathroom. I was on the MSC Seashore, and this bathtub is twice as big. There's an actual bathtub in this one, as opposed to just a stand-up shower. Our toilet here, and our sink area. Trash can under there, and we have plenty of room for toiletries and what have yous. So this is our entire shower / bathroom area. Downside is there's no door here, and the towels are right there. So I don't know how they don't get wet, but we'll see. Coming around, let's go back into the main room and we'll check this out. TV on the wall right here. Now this format is set up with the couch first and then the bed closer to the balcony. The one on the MSC Seashore that we had was the exact opposite of this. The couch was closer to the door over there. Now we have outlets here, but let me tell you a little secret. So what I do, typically these are your outlets here with 2 Euro style. I went ahead and bought a multiple port adapter, and I will plug that in right there. And now we have more outlets on top of the few that we have. And this is okay. This is acceptable by cruise standards, by maritime standards, whatever you want to call it, safety-wise. This is allowed. Telephone, and then I have my computer desk and stuff pretty much all set up, ready to go for editing. All my gear. There is a hair dryer in here that's connected. It does not come out of here. Well, I mean, it comes out, but it doesn't unplug. Minibar is down here, but it is locked until we get out on the water. And then 2 glasses and ice bucket. Another little trick that we do here is we bring these magnetic hooks that hold stuff. I got my selfie camera here. I have the one that holds the Osmo for doing time lapses outside, and then a couple hooks to kind of hang stuff. Now, these ones are like the bare minimum on strength. If you put something too heavy on here, it is going to fall, but it's good for just little nothings like we got right there. Twin size couch, or almost love seat size couch, and it does fold down into a bed. You just have to have your room attendant do it for you. Now, coming back over here, we have the closet, if I can get it open. There's a safe up here, and then all of the room for clothing and different types of drawers down here, cabinets, and then some hangers and stuff to hang things up. All right, moving on over to the bed. Now, this is 2 twin size beds put into one. If you want it into the 2 twins, you just ask your room attendant and they will separate it. They put these little stands in the middle then instead of directly on each side. Then we're gonna have to give it a test, but no USB on this side. However, there is a USB on that side over there. So there's a USB port on that one. Let's test this bed out and then we'll go outside. It's time for the ever important bed test. We're going to see how this one is, see if it's anything like the Seaside was, and yes, it is. Oh, I get the best sleep of my life on cruise ships. Between the slight rocking of the boat and then the kind of firm beds and the squishy pillows, I'm telling you, it is the best sleep you'll ever get. You will sleep all through the night, no problems. I haven't had a problem yet, and I don't think you will either. Now, let's go check out the balcony. I also want to mention that there are 2 towels here. So MSC provides you with these beach towels. You are in charge of those 2 towels the entire time you're on a cruise. So if you go on to Ocean Key, Marine Reserve, and you take these towels, you have to bring them back on the boat with you. If they get too wet or dirty or anything, there are places to exchange them, but you are responsible for those 2. And let's go check this balcony out. Here we go. 2 chairs, lawn chairs, a little Ottoman style table, and then the view. We're at the cruise port in Miami, so they're getting ready, getting it all ready to go. Now, this is your view. This is the back of the ship this direction. And then this would be the front of the ship. Now we are on the inlet part of it. It's a little thinner here. So you are seeing part of the ship right here. So you're not seeing directly out in front of you when you're cruising, but you will be able to see the ocean and all of its beauty. And the cool thing is down here is the extended cabin balconies, as well as dining area and stuff down here. So all of this is part of the ship, and then all of this are the extended balconies, which I don't really care for the extended balconies too much, although I've never been on them, so I can't really say that for sure. But I think I like just where we're at. So that is a tour of 13213 here on the MSC Seaside, cruising out of Miami currently. But let's go have some fun and go to this Sailaway party. Starting to get tight. Starting to get tight. ice cream cone. Yep, just a short one, vanilla. Gotta get ice cream if you're... I mean, you gotta get ice cream. Perfect, thank you. I mean, all of the ice cream is all... This, I'm gonna live off this for 5 days.
All the ice cream.
This is probably the most important thing on a cruise. The ice cream, the free ice cream. I'm going to live off this ice cream for the next 5 days. Yeah, buddy.
I got a feeling that this will be a fun. It is just about 6 o'clock. We are officially sailing away, starting this 4-night, 5-day cruise to Nassau, Bahamas, and Ocean Key Marine Reserve, Miami off in the distance. It's been an amazing day already, and it's only just beginning. It's time to party.
This is what we are talking about. Cruising is about having a great time, ladies and gentlemen. At the end of these 4 days, let me tell you, at the end of these 4 days, you will end meeting new friends, new people, making new family. Yes, and this is what we're cruising about, having a great time. There you go. Are you guys ready to meet new people on board? Okay, before anything, I have to congratulate you because you finally made it. You're officially on vacation! Somebody, can anybody find me?
embarkation.